Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the math session. In the previous video, we have learned terms related to multiplication, properties of multiplication, and we have also learned multiplication on the number line. Right? So today, we are going to learn how to do multiplication with regrouping and without regrouping. Okay, so it is very easy, but as I told you, for multiplication lesson you need to learn tables. Okay, so tables are very important for the multiplication lesson. So let's start with multiplication without regrouping. Here first question is given: multiply 22 by 3. Okay, so first of all, write the number 22. This is ones place and this is tens place. Multiply 22 by 3, and 3 you have to write below the ones place. Okay, this already you have studied in your lower class, so this is just a revision for you. Now let's start. Okay, 22, this is multiplication sign, multiplied by 3. Okay, so 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, right? Then again 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, this way. Okay, this way you have to do multiplication. Multiply 70 by 2. So write number 70 over here. This is multiplication sign by 2. Okay, this is ones place, this is tens place. Now start multiplying by ones place. Okay, so 2 into 0, 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 7, 2 7s are 14. Okay, so this way you have to write your answer. 2 7s are 14. So you write 14 over here. Then moving to the third, multiply 123 by 3. Again write the number ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Okay, so 123 by 3. So write 3 over here. Then 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 into 1, 3 1s are 3. Okay, this way. Very easy, children. So these 3 examples is for you. So do it in your maths notebook. This is your homework. Moving ahead, multiplication with regrouping. Okay, here you have to carry forward the number. Multiplication with regrouping. So let's see. The first one, multiply 34 by 3. This single digit number. Multiply 34 by 3. Okay, so start from ones place. This is 34, ones place, tens place. Okay, and write the number 3 below the ones place. Now 3 4s are 12. Okay, so you have to write 2 over here and 1 you have to carry forward to the tens place. Okay, give 1 to the tens place. Okay, write above it. Now 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. Okay, this way you have to do multiplication. Again we'll see more problems. So multiply 536 by 2. So write 536 and by 2. So where you will write 2? Below the ones place. Okay, now start from the ones place. Start multiplying. 2 into 6, 2 6s are 12. Okay, so again write 2 over here and 1 you have to give to tens place. Okay, now 2 3s are 6 and 6 plus 1 7. Okay, now this is done. Now we'll move towards the hundreds place. 2 5s are 10. Okay, Now 10 I will write as it is because I don't have here thousands place. So I will write 10 as it is over here. Okay. So this way you have to do. Again we'll move towards the third example. 900 multiply 958 by 3. Okay, 958 by 3. Again write the numbers 958 and where you will write 3 below the ones place. Yes. Okay, and don't forget to give multiplication sign. Okay, now start from the ones place. 3 into 8. Okay, ones place, tens place, hundred place. This way you have to go. 3 into 8. 3 into 8, 24. Okay, now 24, only 4 you will write over here. 24, so 4 you write, that ones place you have to write, and the 2 you have to give to the tens place. So write 2 above it. Okay, now 3 into 5. 3 into 5, 15. Okay, and 15 plus 2, 17. Okay, again, because here we have 100 place, you can give that number to the next place. Okay, so 17, I will write 7 over here and I will give 1 to the hundreds place. Okay, now 3 into 9, 27. 3 into 9. Okay, as I told you, you should know the tables. Okay, 3 into 9, 27. Okay, 3 into 9, 27. So 27 plus 1, 28. Okay, this way. Okay, now we'll move towards the fourth one. Multiply 566 by 5. Again write the numbers. Okay, and where you will write 5? Below the ones place. And this is multiplication sign. So start from the ones place. Now 5 6 30. Okay, so 0 you will write and 3 you will give to tens place. Okay, now again 5 6 30. 30 plus 3, 31, 32 and 33. Again I will write 3 over here and the 33 means 3 I will give to hundreds place. Yes. Now 5 5 25. 25 plus 3, 25 plus 3, 25, 26, 27 and 28. Again I am telling you children, why I am writing 28 over here? Because I don't have thousands place over here. I cannot carry forward the number. So I am writing 28 as it is. Okay. This way you have to do multiplication with regrouping. Okay. For this you need practice. Okay. So these 3 questions I am giving for homework for the multiplication with regrouping children. So solve this in your maths notebook. Now here again we have multiplication with regrouping, but just observe this number. Here you have to multiply by 2-digit number. By 2-digit number. In earlier question we had seen about 1-digit number. Okay, here you have to multiply with 2-digit number. Okay, so be careful while doing this. So we'll start. Multiply 34 by 22. Again write number 34 and below that this is 2-digit number. Okay, so you have to write this 2-digit number below this 34. Okay, now this is done. This way you have to write. Now let's start for the multiplication. Now this is ones place and this is tens place. So we have to start from the ones place. Okay, now this is your ones place multiplication. 2 into 4. 2 into 4. 2 into 4, 8. Okay, again I will multiply with the ones place number. Okay, so 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. Okay, 2 3s are 6. Now this ones place number, we have done multiplication. Now we'll move toward the tens place. But before starting tens place, we have to put 0 over here. Keep in mind, before starting for the tens place, put 0 over here, then start writing numbers. Okay. Now let's start. 2, again look here, 2 into 4, 2 into 4, 2 fours are 8. Okay, now 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 6, right? And give plus sign. Now 8 plus 0, 8, 6 plus 8, 6 plus 8, 14, 4 over here and carry forward 1 to the hundreds place. Then 6 plus 1, 7. This way you have to do multiplication with 2-digit number. Okay. Now we'll do one more question. Let's start. So multiply 25 by 13. Again write the number 25, give multiplication sign and write this 13 below 25. Okay, now ones place. This is your ones place, this is your tens place, and this is your ones place number. Always start from the ones place number. Okay, now we'll think about this number only first of all. Okay, so 3 5s are 15. So we cannot write 15 over here, so we have to write 5 over here and give 1 to the tens place. Okay, now this is done. Now we are on the tens place. 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 6. Okay, and one number is there on the top, so 6 plus 1, 7. This is done for the ones place. Okay, now we'll move toward the tens place. Now tens place number is 1, but what I told you, before starting from the tens place you have to put 0 below this number. So always write 0 because you are going to start with the tens place, right? So write 0 over here. Okay, done. Now again, this is your tens place number. So for the tens place number, this number you have to start. So 1 into 5, 1 into 5, 5. Okay, and 1 into 2, 2. Okay, so this way give plus sign. So now this is done. Now we'll add this number. 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 5, 12. So 2 over here, 1 on the top. So 2 plus 1, 3. This way. Okay, so very easy. Now we'll move towards the third question. Multiply 76 by 21. Okay, so write 76 first, then by 21. So where you will write 21? Below this number. Again, what is our rule? We have to start from the ones place. Okay, so ones place is here. This is your ones place. So we'll start from the ones place. So 1 into 6. 1 into 6. It is 6. Again 1 into 7. Again 7. 7 ones are 7. Okay. So now this is done for the ones place. Now we have to move towards the tens place number. This is your tens place number. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to put 0 before starting multiplication with the tens place number. Okay. Now start with the tens place number. This is your tens place number 2. Okay. Now we have to multiply with these two numbers. Okay. So 2 into 6. 2 into 6, 12. So I will write 2 over here and I will put 1 in this top of the tens place. Now 2 into 7, 14. Okay, 14 plus 1, 15. So write 15 over here this way. Now add these numbers. 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, there is no number, it means nothing, 0. So this will become 5 and this is also 1. So this way you have to solve multiplication with regrouping by 2-digit number. For this also you need lot of practice, children. So solve these questions in your maths notebook. So here homework is given 32 into 23, 43 into 24. So try to solve this in your maths notebook. Now multiply these numbers mentally. Very easy, children. So let's start with the first one. This is your first question. Okay. So 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. Okay, this way you can write. Now here you have 70 into 4. So how you will do this? You have to do mentally. So very simple trick I am telling. So look here. How many zeros are there? Here is only 1 0, right? So write first 0. Okay. Now we know that 7 into 4 is 28. Okay. So write 28 over here. This is your answer. Easy? Okay. Now here you have 700 into 4. So how you will do it mentally? Again simple trick. So first of all find out how many zeros are there. 2 zeros. So write 2 zeros over here. Done. Okay. Now 7 into 4. 28. So write 28 here. This is your answer. Very easy. So let's try with the one more example. Now 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. Okay. Now 80 into 3. How you will do this? Again find out how many zeros. Only 1 0. So I will write 0 over here. Now 8 3s are 24. So I will write 24 here. This is your answer. Right? So moving towards the third one. 800 into 3. Okay, so this also we have to do mentally. So find out how many zeros. Again 2 zeros over here. So I will write 2 0 over here. Okay, now 8 into 3, 24. So write 24 over here. Simple. So this is your homework. So solve in your maths notebook same way how we have done for these two examples. Okay. So that's all for today, children. I hope you will write all these questions in your maths notebook. Okay, and we will be doing practice during Zoom session for all these questions. But do practice of all these questions in your maths notebook. Okay, and learn tables. Very important thing for the multiplication lesson. Okay, so bye, children. Take care. Have a nice day.